guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Vera's lovely plush interior, and today we're on our way to Frost. So the Frost Restoration warehouse are having their grand opening day, Tires and Tapas. Not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to the food, that should be good, but it should be good to see some familiar faces, which you will know from the channel, quite a few people, yet to know who's turning up and stuff like that. But yeah, it should be really good. So basically there's a car meet, we're gonna muck around with some tools, yeah, we're just going to have a good fun morning, and I really can't wait for it. I've been looking forward to this all week. We did plan to take the sidewalk and this, however there's an issue with the sidewalk's rear brakes, and I've just not had time this week. Juggling real life work at the moment has been a bit of a struggle. So we've got Vera nice and clean, she's ready to go. But yeah, we should be good. Really excited, can't wait. So let's get on down there and I'll show you about and show you a bit of a plan when I know more. Catch you soon. Oh, yes. Right guys, so we've made it to the Frost Restoration warehouse. You've obviously seen this in the little short video I did, but we're here. So at the end we've got TVR, friend Mini Will with his Minimine Club and Estate, the Colonel Mustard as it's known, properly custom car. And we've got a Mini Phoenix, which is owned by friend Matt, so it's a fiberglass kit car, that really cool car. We've got Vera, friend of mine Mike's Mini 40, Mini Cooper's 40, I think it is LE, can't remember which one it is, I always get confused, but it's a beautiful red interior on it, and it's absolutely immaculate. You might notice this one. So we've got the old Mazdas back, another Mazda, got an X-Type, got a Triumph turning up there. There's an awesome little Metro, very clean, and the wife's in Brian, our Cooper S Scotland. But yeah, let's take a little bit of a look around. So modern classic, I guess. Look at this, it's on some cool wheels. Right guys, like ever, I forgot to do an outro. Quite good at doing that. So that was the Frost Restoration meet, open warehouse, and it was really good. Number one, I got to catch up with loads of mates, people that I have not seen for a long time, due to work commitments and life just taking over. Frost put on a good do, food was amazing, that tapas fusion was really good. So you go check out their Instagram page, because that food, I can full on vouch, was lovely. So thank you very much. Thanks for everyone at Frost, Steve, James and Lee that had us. It was really nice. We seemed to overrun the car park with minis, which is always fun. But yeah, it's been really good. I really enjoyed it. Currently being followed by James in his new 960, which you'll see on the channel hopefully soon, and friend Matt, and we're all going to go do the after party at the workshop now. And yeah, you'll see the aftermath of that, because we're obviously going to try and get some cars running and stuff like that. So yeah, please remember to do all that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we've got loads and loads of bits and pieces coming, guys. So that was just a short video, first meet. Hopefully it's going to be a thing. I really hope so. And catch you next one, guys. We're going to go boosting and fix some cars.